Splish, splash. Uh-oh, who's that dancing on your arm? Those are sneaky germs. They hide on our skin and can make us feel really yucky. Look, on one side, the child is sick and spotty. On the other side, clean, jumping, and full of sparkles. Germy Gus runs from super soap because soap is germ's biggest enemy. Time for superhero training. Grab your soap gadget and follow the 5 bubbly steps. 1 wet, 2 lather, 3 scrub for 20 seconds, 4 rinse, 5 dry with a clean towel. Do all 5 and you level up into a germ-busting superhero.
Real heroes stay safe. Walk, never run. Always ask a grown-up. And check the water is warm, not hot.
Every bath can be a fun, safe mission against germs, and grown-ups always stay and supervise kids under 8.